I'm the Cantonero. Put your hands together for the other performers, yeah? Yeah, very important person here, my friend Oliver Fleming. He kind of looks after me, make sure I don't try and go along and drone over the balcony or anything. But let's go anyway. Okay, here we go. Electric sewing machine. This is a rock person electric sewing machine. Electric sewing machine in Stephen's Green. Come on, clap your hands. You can see what I see. And all the girls that I see. I make the most beautiful suits you've ever seen. I taught my fan down to Stephen's Green. All the road. Please skirts on. Electric sewing machine. Come on, sing back. Electric sewing machine. Come on, clap your hands. Come on. Yeah. Well, I drive my van down to Stephen's Green. I make the most beautiful suits you've ever seen. I've got an advert as well. I'm playing the night of high sometime down in the stroll in the summertime. I'm going to come down to see the count. Say, yeah! Don't be scared, come on. Thank you. Thank you very much. As we know, we're here for Focus Ireland. And I helped last year make 385. That was okay. Thanks very much to Daniel as well. I think you know some of these songs. Cats on Stilts. Meow. Come on, don't be scared. Come on. Meow. 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 cat's on stilts. Hard to see when he's eating cheese. Do you see him eating cheese? From his head down to his feet and down to the street. My cat. Come on! My cat! My cat! My cat's on stilts! We're having a good time here today! My cat's on stilts! I want you to sing back. Meow! Oh, yeah, don't be scared. Meow! But Harry's going to be scared stiff. They'll run out of the time. Meow! My cat's on stilts. My cat's on stilts. Meow! Come on! Meow! 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 Hard to see when he's eating cheese. Do you see him eating cheese? From his head down to his feet and down the street. Yeah! Meow! Meow! People over there, meow! My cat! How about that, yeah? My cat's on stilts! My cat's on stilts! I'm not going to sing, you sing back. My cat's on stilts. Hard to see when he's eating cheese. Do you see him eating cheese? From his head down to his feet and onto the street. My cat, good night.
More!
Ladies and gentlemen, Zed walking. Zed walking to the street at night. Running in the alleyway with walks alone. Zed talking. Come on. Zed walking. Zed talking. Come on, sing. Zed walking.
Zed talking.
Man in the alleyway walks alone. Right out the traffic lights. All the way home. Through the city at night, madman of the alleyway walks alone. Thinks I talk to men on the phone. Then thinks herself, no, I walk alone through the city all alone. Through the city! Come on! Through the city! Sing. Through the city! All alone. Hi, people in Tesco! The city! Through the city! Thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. Yeah. Now, one of Oliver's favourite songs, People from the Sky.
What do you think of the count?
Brilliant.
I'm falling from the sky. I've lost all track of time. Some people think I committed a crime, and the people from the sky are falling down the road